Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. I'll just give you all a very quick brief about whatever we did. So we in the start we learned about data communication. We learned about the communication model. The जैसे sender, उसके बाद में उसका encryption and then the receiver receives decrypt करके and all that. Then we learned about topologies. I hope you'll remember. Then we learned about the connection, simplex, duplex. Uske baad we learned about LAN, WAN, and MAN connection. And so today we will continue. Okay, this is one topic that I want to finish today, which is uses of computer network. I have shared the PPT also with you. So in the PPT, I have mentioned the reference book for a particular topic. So uses of computer network, you have to refer from Tannenbaum. If you all want me to give the page numbers, I will give you also, but not do, now. I'll give it to you a little later. Okay, so we know what is a computer, we know what is a network. What is a network? When two or more devices are connected to each other with the whole intention of sharing information, that is known as a computer network. Okay, and now see, that's known as a network. Now in the network, if the devices are computers, that will known as computer network. So what are the uses of computer network? The first use of computer network is business applications. Now see, when you open the theory, the notes, there'll be a huge material, huge theory, but I have just listed down the points in this particular slide so that it's very easy for you all to remember. Okay, there are three main uses, and the last point is social issues, which we will be discussing. So the first point is business applications, which means see, now in business applications, what is the use of a computer network? That is what is being given here. So the first usage is resource sharing. Now, when I say resource sharing, that means what? You are sharing a particular resource. Now, have you all seen in any LAN connection, have you all seen that or maybe anywhere, have you all seen that one computer has one printer allocated to that? प्रिंटर का काम हमेशा नहीं लगता है, राइट? देयर इज कभी कभी प्रिंटर का काम लगता है. सो एक डेडिकेटेड प्रिंटर एक एक मशीन में देंगे तो दैट इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. So what people have done, what people started doing is one printer which is shared on the network with all the computers. So all the computers can give the command to that particular printer. No need of having one printer in each machine allocated to that machine. That is known as resource sharing, which means you are sharing the physical resources. Okay. Another part of resource sharing is information sharing. Now the entire business is on information. We have transited from various ages, stone age, uske baad kaun sa age, uske baad computer age, and now uske baad information age, information ke baad abhi now it's knowledge age. So information and knowledge, see, knowledge information से ही generate होगा. Okay, so knowledge generate होने के लिए you need information. So all the businesses rely heavily on information. It's a huge resource these days. Now, when I am connecting my computers in the LAN, this means what? Each computer can share its information to the other computer, right? So information sharing is another resource, is another use of computer network as far as business applications is concerned, because in business it's all about information going here and there, here and there. You know, sales ka information, finance ko chahiye, finance ka information, logistics ko chahiye, logistics ka information, procurement ko chahiye. So there's a lot of information going here and there, and for that you require the computers to be in network so that the information can be shared seamlessly. Okay. Next application is client server model. Now, how is this possible? How is this becoming possible? How are we sharing the information? You all must be aware of client server model. There is one server, a big machine where all the information is saved, and then there are various client machines that are connected to the server, right? And If a client needs any information, the client will give a query, a request to the server. The server will then accept the request first, give an acknowledgement, and then will fulfill the request. Fulfill the request matlab it will service the request. It will give the information that is needed by the client machine. Okay. I hope you all are understanding. Can I get a quick yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so client server model, we all are aware. There is one server. Now, can anyone tell me why client server and not one machine connected to the chain mein kyun nahi? Why client server? Can anyone tell me? No? Okay, fine. So see, client server इसीलिए because एक ही जगह पे अगर आप information रखोगे ना, that is better than information at 100 different places. So see, suppose it's a business, right? So supplier information common रहता है, which is common for everybody in the organization. Now, if all the departments are saving that supplier information in their own chota machines, and what if the supplier comes and tells me that, look, my address has changed, my phone number has changed, and only I am changing that information. I am not sharing this information to anybody. Will the others have the updated information about the supplier? No. So it's better to always save such information at one location and let the others access from that location so that you get updated information. Next usage is email. Now, emailing has made the lives of business people very simple, very easy, right? Because just at the push or click of one button, the email goes to, you all must be aware of bulky emails. You all must be aware. See, suppose if I am the boss and if I have 150 employees under me, and if I have to give an information through email, official email ID se jana chahiye, so I just one click and it's gone. So it has made life very simple. So business applications may, because of computer network, I am able to access emails, which is an added advantage in business applications. Next advantage is conferencing, video conferencing. Now, right now, what we're doing is sort of video conferencing only. I remember I had attended one program in IIT Mumbai, MIS course that we did. So there we never had any professor face to face. We were called at one location, and through video conferencing, that sir used to be at some different location, and from that location he used to access 10 different centers, and he used to teach at 10 different centers at one time, one common time. So video conferencing, again, if I have to hold meetings, conferences, seminars, ये सब कुछ video conferencing से possible है business applications. Electronic business and e-commerce. Now there is a difference between electronic business and e-commerce. Electronic business would be applications like ERP. Now suppose if I have you heard about ERP?
No, ma'am.
Are you guys there or you're sleeping? Have you all heard about ERP?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, yes, okay. So,
No, ma'am.
all right.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. I'll tell you. ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. ये subject तुम लोग को शायद next semester में होगा. Now, ERP is a huge software. It's a combination of chota modules, but together it makes a big software. Now, in ERP, what happens is the supplier information. Suppose if I am a manufacturing organization, I'll be buying raw material from my suppliers. I'll be producing, raw materials ko process karke, I'll be producing finished goods, and those finished goods would be packaged and dispatched to my customers. Now, I will have my suppliers who are connected to my business. So with ERP, what happens is if there is an order, ठीक है, एक bulk order आया है, मैं एक क्लिक पे मेरे सप्लायर्स को बोल दूंगी कि यू हैव टू सेंड सो एंड सो मटेरियल. Okay, so एक click पे the supplier is giving me the material. Otherwise, when it was not electronic business, when it was not ERP, this process used to take a lot of time. I can tell you, my grandfather, when he bought his scooty, okay, that scooty took 7 years to be dispatched. Can you believe that? And now, when you are buying any such vehicle, it's there in just, I mean, you go to the showroom, you pick up and you pay the bills and you're there. I mean, the thing is there in your compound, right? But pehle it used to take a lot of time. So ERP ke pehle, when there was no ERP, this process used to take a lot of time. वो जाते थे, बोलते थे, पहले calculate करते थे कितना raw material लगेगा. अभी सब system करता है. That is electronic business. Okay. E-commerce is business which is on internet. That is e-commerce. So all your shopping portals, all are e-commerce. So I hope you all understood the difference between electronic business and e-commerce. Yeah? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we are through with the first point, which is business applications. The second point is home applications, which, okay, now home applications means what? When we say home, that's our Sukhi Swastha Parivar, right? That's our home. Abhi, in our house, what are the applications jahan pe computer network use hua hai? So access to remote information. Now, what do you mean by access to remote information? Remote means something that's, can anyone tell me what is remote? Remote. You have to tell.
The device to operate the another device.
Device to operate another device. No. Remote means far away. Remote means far away information. So sitting at home, am I not able to access Google? Google में anything? Am I not able to access online newspapers? Am I not able to access online digital library? I am, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is remote information. Remote means something that's quite far away. अगर इंटरनेट नहीं होता, just imagine a situation जहाँ पे इंटरनेट नहीं होता था. How would that have been? हम लोग हमारे ये जो few kilometers के अलावा हम लोग को और कुछ पता ही नहीं होता, right? But because of internet, दूर से दूर वाली information आज I can easily access it with the help of Google, with the help of internet, not just Google, but with the help of internet. Yes, that is access to remote information. So घर में बैठे बैठे I can access anything, be it newspapers, be it library, be it any thread communication, anything, be it Google, right? That is access to remote information. Person-to-person communication means person-to-person communication. मतलब ये chat rooms, instant messaging, chatting, ये सब क्या है? Emailing. All this is person-to-person communication.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all this is also possible. All this is also possible because of computer network. Now WhatsApp pay, you guys are chatting. How is that possible? It is network. It's person-to-person communication, peer-to-peer communication, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And in peer-to-peer communication, what happens is, जैसे WhatsApp पे तुम लोग groups बनाते हो, you don't want everybody to be included in that group. I'm sure you all must be having one unofficial group where there are no teachers. So you can create a separate group where there are no teachers. There is a separate group where there are teachers. So you can select your audience. That is the beauty of networking. The kind of flexibility, the kind of facilities that networking can give you, you cannot imagine your life otherwise. Can you imagine your life without internet? I cannot.
Not at all.
Yeah. So home applications में person to person communication में all these things comes like chat rooms. जैसे when we used to be in college, that time it used to be Yahoo Messengers, and then there used to be chat rooms. जिसमें we used to never go because it used to be considered a very ill practice to go in the chat rooms because unknown से भी तुम लोग बात करते हो, and that it used to be a very big thing कि किसी unknown से you are talking and all that. But yeah, we had our own. But all these things come under person to person communication. ठीक है, समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
पर्सन टू पर्सन कम्युनिकेशन में ये जो स्काइप कॉलिंग होता है, ऑनलाइन टेलीफोन्स, ये सब भी उसी के अंदर आएगा पर्सन टू पर्सन कम्युनिकेशन में, राइट? देन नेक्स्ट इज योर मोबाइल यूजर्स. Oh no, sorry. Person to person communication के बाद में interactive entertainment. Now, interactive entertainment means online games, online serials, your Netflix, your Amazon Prime. I'm sorry, I'm bad at it because मैं देखती ही नहीं हूँ ये सब कुछ, इसलिए मुझे पता ही नहीं है और क्या क्या होता है. But there all these things where you can entertain yourself sitting at home with the help of networking. That is interactive entertainment. Yes? How many of you all are playing that Ludo game online?
Me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How playing that with the help of network, right? Because internet is a huge network, and which is making it possible for us that we are sitting at home and we are doing anything and everything that we want, be it entertainment, be it shopping, be it accessing of information, be it chatting to our friends, anything. Correct? So that is interactive entertainment. Last hai electronic commerce. Now electronic commerce means again e-commerce, yani shopping portals, you name it, whatever websites that Amazon, then Flipkart, then which one?
Shane. Myntra.
I'm sorry, but I have banned.
Nykaa.
मैंने Shein ban कर दिया है.
Me too.
Because right? So I am not using Shein, Club Factory, AliExpress, Alibaba, whatever. I'm not using all these sites now. But then, yeah, those are all e-commerce sites where you can shop. पहले you had to go out, shop में जाना पड़ता था, देखना पड़ता था. चीजें बिल्कुल बदल गई है. पहले it used to be offline marketing, now it is digital marketing. So if you don't have your presence digitally, you are gone. You will not survive in the market for a longer time. You will, the business will fade off soon. So पहले we had to go to the शॉप, फिर हम ट्राई करते थे कपड़े और फिर हम बाय करके लेके आते थे. बट nowadays it is you are at home and you are selecting your garments or whatever you want at home using those websites. Now, there are, with virtual reality coming up, there are websites. In fact, there are many malls who have started this, that there is this big mirror, and when you stand in front of the mirror and when you select the garment, it's like a screen. So when you select the garment, that garment is placed on your mirror image. Okay, on your mirror image to just to make you feel as though you have worn it and how it is looking on you. So this was my idea, right? When I was in my masters, when I was doing my masters, I was doing internship with one this website development company, and I had given this idea that in websites there should be this feature added where we cannot try the garment, right? But there should be one module जिसमें try. So वो मेरा फोटो लेना चाहिए, ठीक है, with proper dimensions and all, और वो जो apparel होगा, वो जो भी कपड़ा होगा, वो उसमें fit होके मुझे दिखेगा कि मेरे ऊपर कैसा दिख रहा है. वैसा होना चाहिए था. और अभी I guess there are websites with such features available. So this is electronic commerce. This is the advancement of technology. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am. There's so much that you can think of and technology will just give everything at so ease. But yeah, of course, जो बना रहा है उसकी तो बैंड बजी रही होगी. यानी तुम लोगों की बैंड बजेगी. Then the third category is mobile users. Third use of computer network is for mobile users. Now let's see what it is. Mobile users means people who want mobility. Mobility means portability. You know, not at one place. I don't want these wired connection. I don't want to be dependent on a certain thing, and I cannot conduct my business while I'm traveling to my office or anywhere else. So that came, I mean, all these needs gave rise to wireless technology. Okay, so people are using their devices, the mobiles ho ya jo bhi hai, notepad ho, notebook ho, jo bhi hai, iPads वगैरह, they are using these devices to run their business even when they are traveling. Okay, so you need not have a wired connection. Don't be मतलब वो rigid नहीं करता है. It's flexible. You can work at your comfortable time. So mobile wireless offices nowadays, you don't need a place to conduct any business. That's the most amazing thing, because it has cut down the cost so much. And what you need is just internet connection, a device, and your softwares which would be needed. That's it, and you can conduct your business. For your information now, Ola, Uber वाले लोगों के पास में एक भी टैक्सी नहीं है, but they have taxi business. एक भी टैक्सी नहीं है उन लोग के पास में, but they have such huge taxi business. So what I'm trying to say is things are changing. In fact, things have changed, and now it will be a different IT altogether, because with the invent of AI, with the invent of virtual reality, simulation, all these coming up, you know, the technology world is going to be completely different and very interesting. Okay, so mobile wireless office, we all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, okay. Wi-Fi on campus. Now, students, before taking admission, they want to know whether the college has that Wi-Fi or not. It has become so important. So, Wi-Fi on campus, we all know what is Wi-Fi, and we all know what happens when we get Wi-Fi. We get connected to the internet. Okay. Now, taxi business. Are you all aware of how this business whole Ola and Uber thing works?
No, ma'am.
No? Really? Acha,
Little bit.
little bit. Okay. See, तुम लोगों ने टैक्सी कभी बुक तो की होगी ना ओला में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
वो क्या करता है? When you put your location, एक तो ये बात अभी जान लो कि you are completely traced at every point in time. When your internet is on, you are traced. So, using your location, your current location, which we also enter from where you need the pickup and all, the GPS system tracks all the taxi drivers who are in and around your vicinity, closest to you. And when the system traces any such driver, that driver is confirmed your ride. So your information goes to the driver, and driver's information comes to you. Okay, so this is how it all works. Through the GPS tracking system, they track the drivers, and they have one software installed. They have one particular device जिसमें billing or user information, and they don't the drivers are not sharing their personal mobile numbers. That is the device generated mobile number which goes to the passenger, and this is how they communicate. So that is all taxi business which has happened because of mobility, mobile and a wireless technology. Do you find any wire which goes from the center to your location and from your location to some other destination? No, you don't see any wires. This is all happening wirelessly. Okay. Then there are something called as vending machines. Now, vending machines, you all know any idea about what are vending machines? Any idea? Vending machines?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you. Now, vending machines, to give you examples, would be, अच्छा ये अपना BT, CST,
Ticket when
CST स्टेशन उसमें ये या इवन योर माटुंगा स्टेशन वो जो सॉफ्टी सेंटर नहीं है माटुंगा सेंट्रल वो वहां पे ड्रिंक्स भी मिलते हैं कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स तो
Yes.
तो ड्रिंक बार निकलता
yes
है
ma'am.
फॉर योर मैक एंड ऑल दोज आर व्हाट वेंडिंग
Yes.
मशीन या इन योर कॉलेज यू हैव वन वेंडिंग मशीन
Sanitary pads for sanitary.
yes sanitary napkins का vending machine है so in countries like US and UK what happens is they have vending machines uh, जैसे suppose they have food at one place so vending machines का काम कैसा रहता है कि the machine is connected okay using a network to the main location now when the food item is over or not fully over but just about to get over there is an alarm or there is a message that goes to the main location and then the main location sends the truck or maybe whatever with the food item which is again refilled into that vending machine so this is how vending machines work so again this is wirelessly operating okay
Yes ma'am.
हाँ so next is meter reading अभी ये मीटर गैस का मीटर रीडिंग होता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मीटर रीडिंग होता है ये भी सब वायरलेस कनेक्शन से होता है राइट
Yes.
Yes ma'am.
एम कॉमर्स मतलब एम कॉमर्स
Mobile commerce.
mobile commerce yes so all your wallets paytm all your
Yeah, transaction.
transactions become
Online transaction.
mobile पहले क्या बैंक में जाना पड़ता था now I have योनो टक 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 everything is sorted I mean योनो app whosoever has a SBI account in SBI because I'm using Yono. And in that app, you get the statistics of your expenditures. Also, you get the statistics of your deposits. They will tell you where should you invest. They will tell you everything. They will tell you the I mean, तुम कितना खर्चा कर रहे हो, कितना hold back करना है, all these kind of things. I mean, things have become so easy. I don't have to think anything. और अगर मुझे किसी को पे करना है ना, because of COVID, I'm not giving the currency to anybody क्योंकि वायरस यहाँ हो सकता है बट देन एंड नाउ ऐसे सिचुएशन में थैंक गॉड कोविड इतना लेट आया पहले आता तो कुछ होता ही नहीं ना आई मीन वो तो देना ही पड़ता था हमको नोट इधर उधर लेकिन अभी क्या है ई पेमेंट कर लो पेटीएम कर लो ई ट्रांजैक्शन कर लो इट्स अ कन्वीनियंट नाउ दैट्स एम कॉमर्स ओके देन मोबाइल यूजर्स में ये कैटेगरी भी बहुत अच्छा है नियर बाय रेस्टोरेंट्स मोबाइल मैप्स ई वॉलेट्स nearby restaurants matlab whenever you open your Gmap it will also tell you restaurants nearby so it's tracking your location and all the restaurants have already given their information to that particular Google application and you can access right so your information is shared by in if like indirectly the information is shared everywhere and anywhere that day I was just I had gone to Borivali for some shopping and when I crossed one shop I immediately got a message from that shop ki, hi you are nearby why don't you visit it I said who told you that I am nearby so you understand how the location is traced and this is all customer relationship management where they are trying to bring in more customers. So all these applications are mobile for mobile users. I hope you all have understood.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जैसे देखो पहले ये जो जस्ट डायल था ना जस्ट डायल
Yes ma'am.
हाँ सो जस्ट डायल में क्या होता था आई एज अ कस्टमर आई यूज टू यू नो मुझे अगर कुछ पता लगाना है तो मैं उसको फोन करूंगी और वो मुझे लिस्ट देता था ऑफ 5 to 10 डिफरेंट सच वेंडर्स तो वो वेंडर्स पहले उनके पोर्टल में रजिस्टर्ड होंगे तभी वो मुझे देता है ना, राइट? सो अभी जस्ट ऐसे का ऐसे हुआ है वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी कि people restaurants वगैरह, and even if the restaurants are not have not registered, GPS is enough to trace them, right? Because नाम वगैरह तो है, if you open Google Map, it's near to precise, right? When you are traveling. I mean, I follow only Gmap now because I am so bad at directions. I don't remember only when मैं पिछले तो कल भी अगर मैं पिछले दिन भी अगर गई हूँ तो मैं आज के दिन भूल जाती हूँ कि direction क्या था. So I rely heavily on Google Maps. So this is mobile users. Am I connecting to any sort of device through wires? No, it's all mobility. It's all portability that I'm getting. Okay, that is mobile users. Now, these are the three main uses of computer network. The fourth point is social issues. Social issues means what are the basically the disadvantages of computer network. Okay, so see, everything has a plus and a minus. Every coin has two sides. So technology जितना अच्छा दिखता है उतना उसका problems भी है, right? Now it's said that पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. Technology is going to go to what level? I don't understand that. There is going to be some a chip which is going to be installed, can be installed into this the black retina. उसमें वो chip install करेंगे and that chip can have all your notes, everything जो भी तुम पढ़ रहे हो ना. So in exams there's no need to by heart anything. It will be all application oriented questions and you can quickly refer to. I mean तुम्हारे आँख के सामने वो notes ऐसे. It's going to be, I mean it's going to be crazy. And वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, hologram, जिसमें you are at one location. Suppose if I am here and I have to be right now in let's say US, okay, and suppose for example that I don't know how to talk in English, so I will create an hologram image of myself which will be projected there, and whatever I am speaking will be real time converted into English और ऐसे लगेगा कि मैं वही हूँ और मैं बात कर रही हूँ. This is possible because of network. So within, see, there are a lot of benefits. Uske saath mein there are a lot of disadvantages also. So social problems, ethical problems, political problems. You might have come across these news groups, bulletin boards, जिसमें लोग अपने अपने views डालते हैं कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, वैसा होना चाहिए. लेकिन कुछ लोग हेल्दी डिस्कशन करेंगे बट कुछ लोग पोर्नोग्राफी में चले जाते हैं, रिलीजन पे चला जाते हैं, क्योंकि पता है ये एकदम सेंसिटिव टॉपिक है इंडिया में. रिलीजन को कैसे भी, रिलीजन से इंडिया कैन भी, मतलब उसके पीसेस हो सकते हैं, कोई भी बाहर का आके हमारा एडवांटेज उठा सकता है. इतना सेंसिटिव टॉपिक है रिलीजन. So people who want to create problem will start discussing and start talking nonsense, which may disturb others, right? Abhi, if someone is coming and sharing my some morphed image, ऐसे public इसमें आयल तो it's near to suicide, man. What is this, right? So these are issues which keep coming up when you are using technology. So जैसे Facebook पर भी अगर आपने अभी कुछ भी डाला, अभी जैसे WhatsApp पर भी कोविड के बारे में कुछ भी नॉनसेंस इन्फॉर्मेशन रहेगी तो you will be caught, admin will be caught, and then they came up with the color of ticks and red color है तो your information has gone to the FBI and blah blah blah. ये सब हुआ है, right? So ये सब हुआ क्यों? क्योंकि people are taking disadvantage of the technology. So you know what is thread communication? Just for example, when I wanted to get my back operated, I visited a lot of websites, बाहर के doctors जिसमें थे. And now when you are visiting any website, you make sure that URL के left hand side में there is this lock sign.
Yes.
Lock sign नहीं है, that means it's not a website जिसमें the content would be reliable. Okay, always visit website which has that lock sign. That means it's secure and guaranteed information. So I visited a lot of such websites. I posted my questions because I didn't want to get operated. So I discussed my case there. So a lot of doctors replied also. A lot of patients motivated me, जिन्होंने ऑपरेशन करा लिया था वो वाला. So मुझे बहुत confidence आया. So this was something that was very positive that happened with me. Now when I have to be part of discussion, I have to register. You know, thread communication. मतलब एक के बाद एक. So today when you ask any question on Google, you will be taken to such thread communication groups where you can discuss your problems. People will answer. So that is news groups and bulletin boards. Okay, but just keep yourself away from controversial topics because पहले नहीं चेकिंग होता था, लेकिन आजकल FBI ने एक सिस्टम इंस्टॉल कर रखा है जहां पे दे आर चेकिंग ऑल द इनकमिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. अगर कहीं पे भी ऐसा लगा कि ये इंफॉर्मेशन कंट्रोवर्शियल है, मतलब ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए इसको, और बोल रहा है, तो उसको पकड़ रहे हैं. पहले वो सिस्टम को कार्निवोर बोलते थे, बाद में उसका नाम चेंज किया, आई थिंक टू DCS-1000 नाम कर दिया है. सो दैट सिस्टम चेक करता है इनकमिंग डेटा. ठीक है, ये इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स के पास. देन साइबर क्राइम, ये तो तुम लोग को पता ही है. फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ऑल सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स दैट यू आर यूजिंग, हाउ यू शुड सेफगार्ड योरसेल्फ. If you are using Gmail, suppose if you've entered your email ID and you've entered your password, हाँ, पासवर्ड करके एंटर मारना भूल गए, मतलब लॉग इन या सबमिट व्हाटएवर, उस पर क्लिक नहीं किया, पासवर्ड करके कुछ काम आ गया और तुम इधर उधर चले गए. अभी कोई अगर आया तुम्हारे मशीन पर और उसने देखा कि पासवर्ड डला हुआ है, पर वो रीड तो नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि एस्ट्रिक पर है, वो क्या करेगा, सोर्स कोड में जाएगा वो पेज के, और सोर्स कोड से उसको तुम्हारा पासवर्ड मिल जाएगा. Right? So there are a lot of such hacks, lot of such cyber crimes which are happening, and that has given right, that has come into existence only because of technology. Technology नहीं होता तो ये crime होता भी नहीं. It's called as cyber crime, right? So everything, all the crimes related to internet, related to cyber world, that is cyber crime. जंक मेल में अक्सर वायरसेस आते हैं, जो प्रमोशनल मेल्स होते हैं, वो सब कितने सारे लोग जानबूझ के जंक मेल करते हैं, वायरस भेजते हैं. सो दिस इज अगेन अ सोशल इशू, जंक मेल एंड वायरस. Wrong data on site, identity thefts, wrong data on websites. I told you, na, when you're referring to any website, refer to website that has that
Log.
HTTPS sites
and that yeah. अगर वो नहीं है, दैट मीन्स वो वेबसाइट में कंटेंट इज, मतलब हो सकता है कि कंटेंट गलत हो, रॉन्ग कंटेंट भी देते हैं. देन आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट, मतलब कोई लड़का लड़की बन के प्रोफाइल बना रहा है और परेशान कर रहा है, you all must be aware of all these things, right? Those are identity thefts. So these are various problems that occur because of technology. Technology has a lot of plus, technology also has a lot of minus. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, इतना चैट, कौन चैट कर रहा है? Yes, ma'am. अच्छा. What would be so great, Akshaya? Akshaya.
That chip thing.
Surbhi has asked one question: what is the difference between e-commerce and business application and e-commerce in home? See, home applications is you are the customer, and business applications में you are the vendor. मेरे को business करना है, so मैं एक पोर्टल बना रही हूँ, मैंने एक वेबसाइट बना दिया है, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग साइट बना दिया है. So मैं business applications में it will be about my business, that my website, my shopping portal, which will be open to all. But home applications में I'll be the customer. So I'll access those websites to place an order for whatever product that I want. Understood, Surbhi? Okay. ये भगवान, ये राधिका केडिया अभी आ रही है. All right. So I hope that Sakshi and Ruksar, can you all please take the attendance for today, because there is some procedure that you have to follow for Google Meet attendance, which I'll be doing it from the next class. But आज के लिए ना just screenshot ले लो ना, ये इसमें list होता है ना participants, उसका screenshot ले लो.
ले लिया मैम, है मेरे पास है.
ले लिया?
हाँ मैम.
Oh, cool. So nice of you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
1 second.